Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Spaceclaim tutorial how to extrude. So as example I will create sketch, you can go to pen view and then click a rectangle. I will create start from this origin point into here. You can click and sketch editing. The next you can orbit by pressing middle mouse. And to extrude this objects, you can click pull tools and then sort your mouse into the face of the object, click hold and you can move to the top like this. I will select again at face. Okay. You can select at this face, click hold and then you can move. Now you can set for the extrusion, I will set into 3 and you can press enter to apply. I will select again at this face, you can click hold and then move into here. We can set into 5, press enter again. Okay, that's it for basic Spaceclaim tutorial, how to extrude. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.